What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are going to be showing you how to remove this grill on a 2019 Nissan Titan. All right, so first thing here, we have this little clip that holds this in place. When it's in here, it's actually locking this in place. You just want to get your flathead, align it to a square so you can see like how it lines up here. And once it's lined up, then you'll be able to pull it back. All right, so in here, there's that bracket. You can see there are 3 screws on there. We're gonna take those off. Those are a T20, so we're gonna go ahead and get those screws out and keep it moving. And then right in here, we also have some of those other square fasteners. We're gonna go ahead and pop those out of those 2 spots right there. And here's our bracket. So the only thing left are the tabs that are connected underneath here. So you can see the front part, the top part, and the sides, they're loose. So the way these tabs are, if this is the tab inside, there's a little piece that is, like this. So what you have to do is push up on it to get it to slide out. So I'm actually going underneath through this bottom section here, and I'm finding those tabs. I'm pushing up against them to release them to get the grill to come out. Okay, now we're going to remove this upper bumper. All right, first thing we're gonna do is gonna remove this here. So we've got some 10s on top. There's a little clip here, so we're gonna get some pliers. We're gonna release that little clip. Okay, got that out. Okay, and then we just lift it up, and there's a connector under the bottom. Okay, and there's your connector under the bottom. Once that's plugged out, we move this out the way. Okay, now that we have better access, we can see here we've got some pins here that we're gonna have to take out. And then underneath, we've got some other pins here that need to come out as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get all these pins. These pins taken out, and then when we go over here on this side, we're gonna have to take out this screw here, and then up underneath here, once you pull this back, there's a 10. We're gonna screw that out and start to pull it back. And that's how you remove the upper bumper. Okay, so you can see on this headlight, we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts to remove to get it out. As you can see, this one is cracked here. We're gonna swap it out. So let's go ahead and get those bolts out. So here, we got our 10mm. Okay, now that all the bolts are out, we just need to disconnect the harnesses in the back, and we should be good to go. Okay, here's the replacement. So we're just gonna go ahead, plug everything up, and we should be complete with this job. So here's your clip. Before you put your grill in, get your clip ready. You might have to spread this a little bit so you can get working room, but you're gonna go ahead and push your clip down. Pull on the tab if you need to on the side. Make sure you get it in there good. Once it's seated down in there, you're gonna go ahead and just twist it in the proper direction and it should lock into place. You might have to get a flathead to move this out of the way so that it'll turn. But once it gets situated, it'll sit straight and it's ready for reinstallation. There you have it. For the top section, go ahead and pull these tabs out, these little clips, and just set them here off the side. And we'll show you how to reinstall those once the grill is in place. So now, all we're gonna do is slide everything back in place, align all of the various sections that need to be aligned. Once everything's aligned, then we'll push it forward. With all of these little clips in place prior to putting the bumper up, then all we'll have to do is press forward. Just make sure that they are slid to the further section here on the left, and then on the right you can see how those are set up. They are slid to the furthest section. Then we'll go ahead and we'll snap everything in place. And that's how you remove and reinstall the grill on this 2019 Nissan Titan. Again, this will work on the 2016 and up. So you should be good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.